Ladies and gentlemen, Shotgun Thief is back, and Facecam's back as well. I honestly cannot see if I can see myself. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to try my best to stay upright. We were on Julie's story last time, weren't we? I can't remember. Yeah, sounds on. Try a little bit up. I know that's fine. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Nick Harrison episode. I'm back. Hello. Jensen Jewelers, discount jewellery. Closed. Sure? Are you sure about that? Not at all suspicious looking ladder. Window. They changed the gravity. Or did they? I don't think they did. There's not a letter draft in. Oh. No one is buying our jewellery anymore. Our business partner is starting to question our ability to support them. I'm not sure if the boss will be happy. Yeah, boy. We must be missing something. Yeah, it totally wasn't me. Your diamond rings. Give me your jewelry boxes. Give me your thin golden cases. Give me your watches. I'm watching you too. Give me your other watches. Classy watch. Tiny little bracelets I cannot collect. More tiny little bracelets I cannot collect. Oh my god, these things are worth 200 quid. Oh my god. These are very expensive. These are very expensive. Jeez. I should be stealing these, but... Oh, that's it. Okay, well, I guess that's it. We'll see you all next time. Bye. Wait. Okay. Oh, you know what? There's another hammer over there. You know what? I'm gonna give you a good reason why I did that. Done? Oh wait. Two. And I'm finished. Wonderful. Well, they don't call me Shotgun Thief for no reason. The Collector. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay. 600,000. Jeez Louise. Okay, well, I'm just gonna... This is locked. And there's cards. Of course there's cards. Flashlight, don't I? Yeah, flashlight. I think I forgot that the last episode, didn't I? Probably. I don't know any other weapons in this building. There aren't any other weapons in this building. I'll break that open somehow. Key. Guys, I got a key. I got a key. first one. Good. Close. Oh. I know people like enjoying eating McDonald's, but it hasn't. What? Okay. It hasn't been long since the hit on our crew. The captain didn't mention to us that everything was taken, nor did he say who it was. All I know is that he made it out alive. It's almost Tuesday and the guards haven't arrived yet. These fresh recruits should be able to keep my place locked up like I have while I am gone. My flight takes off next week. Something tells me he got held back because of the Mackie D's. Lovely. Ooh. Ooh. Books. But is there a secret code hidden here like there was last time? Probably not. I'm tempted. I don't know what this is. Officer detector. That was stupid. I can do it in this game. Bonk. Oh, still the paintings. There was there was totally in the known artifact there. Ouchies. I hurts a lot. Maybe I should be stealing things, you know? I've got this feeling in my bones. Yeah, boy. A weird object to break glass with, don't they? Long artifact. Oh, toilet. I don't think you're going to get anything from the toilet. Why is there nothing in this room? That is a very weird room. I think I need to leave with 500,000. So, I'm gonna steal this eggs. Oh, that's expensive. No? Okay. No? Okay. Well, I think that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, that was very easy. Incredibly easy, actually. It hurts a little bit. I do hurt. But, you know, it's all worth it. 7 minutes. It's been 7 minutes. Oh my god. I need to check the timer. Okay, we're at 11 minutes. Oh, Guzzy. Earlier this week. We are done here. Okay. Oh, do I need to click? The recruits are coming. I'll make sure of it. Okay. We need to go, comrades. Roll out. Interesting. And apparently that's it. Oh no. Yeah, oh, okay. I think I'm gonna leave that to do for next time. I'll leave it for next time. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.